Hello, YouTube family. Welcome, beautiful family. Thank you so much for your support. My name is Olive. Welcome. If it's the first time you are popping on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share. If you didn't subscribe yet, and also when you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that when I upload the video, you'll be notified. We have the opportunities of membership. Please also you can join the membership for the signals analysis, yes, and the many more. Yes, in today's video, we're going to talk about the only strategy that you will use to grow your $10 to $1,000 or make your $1,000 per day. For example, you have a $10 account and you want to grow it. So today's video is about growing your small trading account using this scalping strategy. The scalping strategy, this is mind-blowing and it's working 100%. Don't forget to watch the video till the end and join the membership. Click join so that you can be a member of this channel. So we start. As always, we always say that you should know the direction of the trend, the bigger picture. Is it an uptrend or downtrend? Then if it's an uptrend, we'll be looking into buying. Then you will use this strategy in 1 minute time frame. So today I'm going to show you the strategy of scalping, which will help you to always keep the profit. Yes, withdraw every week a lot of money and take care of your family. So we're going to the indicators room. We will use the moving average period 60. Period is 60. And the shift is 0. Method is exponential and apply to cross. And I use here 4 pixels so that you'll be able to see it. Then it's exponential cross 60. This is the moving average that we're going to use. The second one is parabolic saw. The parabolic saw, we have the step of 0, 2, and maximum is 0.2, and the pixel are for these are the size of the lines so that you'll be able to see it, the size of these indicators so that we'll be able to see it. Then we're going to apply we're going to check. For example, here I'm on gold. This is gold, and yes, this is gold, and the signals, it's we expect a buy, and it's also a swing trade as a buyers. So let's dive into the details of today's. We will move in a 1 minute time frame. So the bigger picture of the trend is 1 minute. It is uptrend. Now we are looking into 1 minute time frame. That this strategy works in 1 minute time frame. So here you will always check if this is parabolic are crossing with the 60 moving average, the 60 moving average. Then you will, the other thing you will check, so since you saw that they cross each other, then the next thing is to check the entry. So when are you checking the entry? You will only check the entry. Let's move. We can even go other side. The entry of buying, because we are looking for buying since we are in the uptrend. Then we will check if the parabolics, when they cross each other like this, the 60 and the 60 moving average and the parabolics are crossing. So here, for you to double or triple your trading account, you will check if these parabolics are above, then they are showing that there is a small reversal. There is a small reversal of the market. Yes, so the parabolics they will be above the chart to show that there is a small reversal of the market in 1 minute time frame. Then that way you will just exactly enter. So if you have a $10 account, to make it $20 account, that's when you will enter and put as many positions as you want. Then the stop loss is down there. But this strategy, it's very good because even the stop loss can never be hit. So now let's see. For example, you entered $10 account, then you will take like a 10 pips or 20 pips out from your market, and that way you doubled your from $10 to $20. That was your first $10 made and fast and quick. Let's go. Then let's look for another one. Let's look for another one. For example, here we are having the parabolic SAR are above, then this 60 moving average is crossing with the parabolic SAR there below. Remember, the market should be above that 60 moving average. 60 moving average. The parabolic SAR should be should be like below the market, the longer picture, and the 60 moving average. Then they'll add the parabolic SAR to show that the market did reverse a little bit. It should be also closer there, but above again of the chart, which is reversing. Then your entry will be here, just here. Then you take, like, you can even take 10 trade. Now we have a $20 for that entry. We're going to make it $40. So you move for 40 to from 20 to $40. Then you took your trade and it went up. So you take your trade to 20 pips, even 40 pips, then you are out of the market. Then you again wait for the market. You can use this entry or this indicators, a moving average, what in on a currency, euro, US dollar, GBP, US dollar. This strategy works magic. Don't miss that. Don't miss this strategy, and please watch the video till the end. So we're going to check where the market can give us a sell signal. A sell signal. Here we are having the parabolic SAR. When you are looking for SAR, the 60 moving average will cross the parabolic SAR, but above the market. Then the parabolic SAR will be below. That time we will not look into the parabolic SAR, those less one to show the little reversal. There will be some parabolic SAR which will be up, which will be below. Then that's where you will take the entry. Here is the entry. Then you go with it to take 10 to 20 pips out of the market, and you take many trade as you want. So you can see the market did go down, even though the trend, the bigger picture of the trend was a downtrend, but to show us the market reversal as well in a lower time frame, it gave us that entry to make money. Now you have a $40, even if $50, you grow it to $100, right? So from there you move up. So you can see the parabolic SAR as well. They are showing another entry level around here. So you move down again and make another profit. So that was your $100 to $200. You can take as many as a trade you want to grow your account. So you doubled, you tripled, you quadrupled, you multiplied your small $10 account just using this indicator. It's indicator, the moving average, and the parabolic SAR. Kindly subscribe and join the membership on YouTube member. You can click join. Once you join it there, you can find the post there and comment in one of the posts. Give your phone number there. I will add you to the group. Yes, I will save your number there to add you to the WhatsApp group. Now look at here against the trend once again in 1 minute time frame. Remember, we have the parabolic SAR. They crossed with that moving average. Then we saw the below that their parabolic SAR to show a little reversal, which is this one. This was the reversal this parabolic was showing. Then you take your entry here. The other confirmation, we have a triple top, this head also, and the shoot of the market. The entry was there. Then you take your money to double your money. This is the profit. You got your $200 to $400. So this is how you grow your forex trading account from $10 to $20, or from $100 to $1,000, so that yes, you can be financial free. So we are looking into the buying trade. Kindly subscribe to the channel. On here we have the parabolic SAR, here, and we have the bigger picture here, which is V, meaning that when you see this kind of entry, you can see that we have the crossover there, the parabolic SR was there, and the crossover parabolic SR and our moving average was there. Then our entry on this parabolic SR was not confirmed since there was no crossover, so we should do enter only after the crossover. So this was the bigger picture of our entry by 3014. So that's how the market give us money. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share our video. It's time to make money. So the parabolic SR here, once again, they cross each other. Look there, they cross 260. Then this one also gave us the other money. So that's how we made the money there. Kindly subscribe to the channel. You can use this indicator with the trend line or against the trend line, but the other thing you should focus on is check the candlestick patterns and the chart patterns, so that you will be always right when you take the trade. Thank you so much for your time. Please join the membership. Click join, become the member of the channel, and when you reach there, do comment and also give us the phone number so that we can add you to the WhatsApp group. If you already joined as a member, leave your WhatsApp in a comment, but in a membership post, because there are posts for the membership. Just leave your number in the membership post so that only us we can see your number as a group of members. God bless you. Keep watching and learn. Let's make money together.